Hello everyone. My name is Abhay Chauhan, graduated in Electronics Engineering 2001 from MS Woodway Engineering College, Latur. Currently, I am associated with Everydayness in India Private Limited in the capacity of head services for South Asia and East West Africa. By now, I have 19 years of experience in sales, supply chain, project management, and customer service. During these years, I have worked with well-reputed multinational companies, which has helped me to become a better professional and expert in my areas. This journey was started in 1997 when I had joined MS Woodway Engineering College, Latur. Uh, like today, that year was also a year of uncertainty for me as I was witnessing a lot of ups and downs in securing admission to various colleges. But I am so proud to say today that I had made a good decision to join MSBECL, which has helped me to grow professionally and personally. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all my professors, college staff, and my friends to make me what I am today. If I go back down to my memory lanes, those 4 years were the best time of my life with best college, best professors, and I met real friends for life. From the day one, professors made us feel like at home. They ensured that we keep ourselves engaged in the right activities, classes, courses, sports, etc. During my time, I had best of the best learned professors for each and every subject. Many of them are still teaching at college, and believe me, it was a huge privilege to be in their class. Fundamentals taught by them are still fresh in mind, and that are not just related to the studies but to the practical aspects of life. MS Bidway is an integral part of my life and played a very important role in shaping my career and me as a practical person. The concept built in me was that no problem is bigger than you and you can solve any problem by yourself. Compared to present times when numerous opportunities are available, foreign investors are coming and investing in India, lots of jobs are getting created, several modes of communications are available, everything is getting digitalized, professionals are approachable through social media. Those times were pretty tough as there were no campus recruitment and opportunities were less. But the college staff and the professors relentlessly put effort to ensure the right progress and developing the right mindset and skill set of the students to make them future ready. They consistently emphasized on the concept that today's struggle is nothing but building the strength we may need tomorrow. That was the best part of the MSBECL, which created the positive vibes and energy in each and every student. And I must say this with proud that MSBECL's alumni are well spread across the globe. They are in leading positions and keeping the MSBD's flag high. I owe big time to Bale sir, Tamboli sir, Tandle sir, Saha sir, Biradar sir, Halale sir, Khichdi sir, and several others who directly and indirectly helped me to become a better person and professional. Today's world is full of opportunities, transformations, and new technologies. Numerous work fields and job options are available. New students and admission seekers must reflect on their interest. They should browse latest trends in the industry and also should read where that industry is heading and what all new trends and technologies may get developed in next few years. Accordingly, they should choose their stream of their interest. And while selecting a college, they need to look at the history of the college, professors, and the facilities being offered by the college. Uh, I can vouch for MSBECL. You can keep this college in the top of the list of your targeted colleges. This college can provide what you need to build a good future. The professors I know are the best and have deep expertise and experience in each of the subjects. The college has put in a lot of efforts to bring all the alumni together and has a very strong alumni network and connections which can help students further in taking advice and securing a good future. Many people must be worried right now where this time is heading, what will happen to future. This is a very gloomy and pessimistic time, but just don't get disheartened in the current COVID times. क्योंकि सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि ये भी समय का एक वो हिस्सा है जो गुजर जाएगा. So stay focused on your search. I wish all new students the very best. I will finish by saying this: यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, दिल में एक जुनून सा जगाना होता है। पूछा चिड़िया से कैसे बना आशियाना, बोली भरनी पड़ती है उड़ान बार बार, तिनका तिनका उठाना होता है। There is no substitute for hard work, and this is the time. Work hard, dream big, never give up. A big thanks to my college staff, all my friends, and all my respected professors. Thank you.